In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames for presentations in Miro. Frames are the backbone of clean, guided presentations on a Miro board. They act like slides, letting you define exactly what your audience sees and in what order. Let's set this up step by step so your board feels polished and easy to present. First, go to Miro and open your dashboard. From there, click into the board that contains the content you want to present. Give the board a moment to load, then get oriented on the canvas. Next, open the Frame tool. You'll find it in the toolbar. Click it to reveal your framing options. As soon as you select it, you'll see a panel of sizes. This is where you'll choose the shape and proportions that best match your use case. If you need full control, choose Custom. This is helpful when you're matching a very specific layout requirement or aligning perfectly to an existing brand template. For print-friendly layouts, pick A4 or letter. A4 is a common international standard, while letter is typical in certain regions. Choose the one that matches how you'll distribute your materials so nothing gets clipped when exported or printed. For slide-style presentations, select 16.9 or 4:3. The 16.9 option is the modern widescreen format that looks great on most displays and video calls. If you're working with older projectors or want a more compact slide, 4:3 is a solid choice. If you're creating square social posts or need perfectly balanced layouts, 1.1 gives you that equal width and height. Designing for devices, use the mobile, tablet, or desktop presets. These are excellent for product mockups, user flows, or quick demos. They provide aspect ratios that resemble real screens, which helps you visualize how content will feel in context. There's also a faster way to frame existing content. On your canvas, highlight the items you want to include. Then open the More menu and choose Create Frame. Miro will wrap a frame snugly around those selected elements, saving you the effort of drawing and aligning a frame manually. This is great when you've already arranged content and simply want to convert it into a presentable slide. As you work, keep a consistent size for your frames to maintain a smooth flow when presenting. Using the presets helps ensure everything scales cleanly and looks professional. That's it. Go to your board, open the Frame tool, pick the size that fits your goal, or select your content and create a frame from the More menu. With frames in place, your Miro presentations will be structured, focused, and ready to share.